Alright, in the last video we started downloading Atom. I'm just going to cancel it because I already have Atom installed. I just wanted to show you how you would do it. It's still actually installing in the background, that's fine. Not worried about that. So here on your desktop, you could find Atom if it created a shortcut. If not, you could obviously just search for it here and you'll be able to find it. So just double click to open it. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's opened up. And for you, there might be like a special message. There might be like a split screen, kind of like this, where there's something over here and something over here. You could just look on top, and if there is a welcome message, you could just close it, and you can close anything else that's there as well. So what we can do now is just minimize it, go to your desktop, create a new folder called 2020 course. Although you could name this folder whatever you want. And then go to Atom, and we can go here to open folder and just select 2020 course. Open it, and then we basically have access to this folder inside of Atom. So let's create a file called index.html. And we're not going to learn any HTML just yet, but we can write some text here. We could say something like hello world. And then I want to show you how you can view this inside a browser. Since it's an HTML file, it can be viewed inside a browser. So I'm going to show you two ways that you could do that. And also notice that right here on the side, the 2020 course folder, it's actually closed right now. So if we click it, it'll be opened and we can see everything inside of it. Currently, just one file. So if we minimize here, we go up here, we double click this. So you can see your file right here. It has a I have a Google Chrome icon next to it. That means that it can be viewed in Google Chrome. So if we double click it, it's here inside of Google Chrome. And it shows you where it is, up here. Which gets me into the next way you would be able to view a file inside of, an HTML file inside of Google Chrome. We can come back here, and let's say you had another file. Let's just say test.html. And we could just do something like this. So I want to view this file. So to do that, we can go right here, double click it. Go to copy full path. Then go up here, open a new tab, and then paste in that path. And then you'll get to the file. Because it's basically doing the same thing here. It's just a navigation route to where that file is on your computer. Actually, if we go right here and delete this and go here, we get a directory of the 2020 course, and we could pick which file we want to go into. And you would be able to navigate in folders here, pick other files. You'd be able to do whatever you wanted. Okay, that's going to be it for this one.